G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben!
on Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some sneaky specials while the boss is away, so.
We just had the stream, Alex, and we figured there's a little bit of a window where Michael will be on a plane and not able to object to us doing a quick special. So we're running with it, and we've got some stock here that is going to be going for buyback prices.
Absolutely, so this is new stock, but at buyback prices. So for all of you that were asking during the live stream, here it is. So we're starting off with these. Open this up, and these are the beautiful Aztec 1 ounce silver rounds. You can see that here.
It's a cool side there, but I love the intricacies of that side. No, the other side. There we go.
Yeah, we both do.
I love the intricate patterns that they go for there.
Yep, so that's the first on offer. Then we have, well, we've got here, this is already open. So we've got the rectangular dragons from 2024. These are brand new. Comes in monster boxes of 200. And of course, this is the individual coin. If you get a few, there will be we will cap them. Otherwise, they're in tubes of 20. Or as I said, a monster box of 200. And lucky last, we have these. I see one's open. No, that's not open. We'll do a bit of a...
Got to actually make it an unboxing. You've got to actually take something out of something.
I do like these ones. These are, for those of you that are playing along at home and recognize these are the Armenian Noah's Ark coins. And there we go. And look at these are gorgeous as well.
Oof. One on top's just really reflective and shiny there, very cool.
Look at that. There you go. Absolutely stunning coin. Do love these. And these also come in tubes of 20, or if you get a few, we'll encapsulate them for you.
Now, I was speaking to our stock guy as well, and I think we're going to try and do a bit of a bulk discount on them as well. So yeah, the buyback price is $5. So yeah, we'll be doing the buyback price on them, which is $5 over spot for these ones. But if you get a tube, we're going to drop that to $4.50. So keep that in mind as well. So there should be a price breakdown for those too.
All right, hope you enjoy. Hope you pick up some goodies. And we'll see you next time.
Hopefully we still have our jobs when Michael comes back from the US. He will be back next week. So yeah, stay tuned for some more videos.
We hope to see you next time.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, stay tuned for some more videos once he comes back. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next one.
See ya.